Hello, everyone. This common phrase of the day is called snowball effect. So, thinking about snowballs in the snow. The phrase snowball effect describes a situation where something starts small but grows larger and faster over time, just like a snowball rolling down a hill. It can refer to both positive and negative situations where one small action or event leads to bigger and bigger outcomes. Here are some sentences to help you guys use snowball effect in everyday conversation. Starting with just one customer, her business grew through word of mouth, creating a snowball effect. He forgot to study for one test and then missed the next class. It caused a snowball effect and he fell behind in school. When you start exercising regularly, the snowball effect can help you feel more energetic and healthy over time. So use this phrase when describing situations where things gradually get bigger or more impactful. It's a great way to explain how small actions or events can lead to large results. Please like and subscribe, everyone. We enjoy your company, and we'll see you soon.